Welcome to the Explainer. So, thousands of merchants are quietly short paid by banks every month. Are you one?
You know the drill. Pull the switch report, grab your bank statement, and painstakingly match them up.
But here's the real question. What if your bank is actually short paying you during this messy process?
Imagine 50,000 naira just poof, vanishing from your accounts without a single trace. Or even worse, 200,000 naira quietly draining away every single month because of hidden errors.
Those tiny differences you just write off?
Yeah, that's not normal. It's actual systematic leakage.
Ignoring these continuous losses, it's literally fetching water with a basket. Totally futile.
So, stop hoping the bank is right. A simple Excel VBA tool automates this whole reconciliation in minutes.
It instantly flags short payments, missing settlements, and exact discrepancies between your switch reports and bank statements.
Merchants using this finally stopped guessing. They're recovering money they didn't even realize they had lost.
So be honest. How much money is your business losing right now without you even knowing?